Lisbon. The name conjures images of sun-drenched hills, colorful tiles, and the scent of salt air mingled with freshly baked pastries. Lisbon blends its storied past with a vibrant modern energy. Wander through centuries-old castles in the morning and sip cocktails in trendy rooftop bars by sunset. What captivated me about Lisbon is its authenticity. This isn't a city frozen in time, nor a metropolis that's lost its soul. Lisbon is a living testament to the resilience and spirit of its people. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Lisbon with me? Let's dive in. Lisbon is steeped in history, and its landmarks stand as proud testaments to its rich past. Each corner of this city tells a story, a tale of explorers, kings, and poets. First, visit the Belém Tower, an iconic symbol of Portugal's Age of Discoveries. This fortress, standing guard over the Tagus River, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of Manueline architecture. Next, the Jerónimos Monastery, another UNESCO site, with its ornate cloisters and grandeur. Built to commemorate Vasco da Gama's voyage to India, it is a marvel of intricate stonework and historical significance. For panoramic views, head to São Jorge Castle, a fortress that has stood the test of time. Situated on the highest hill in Lisbon, it offers breathtaking vistas of the city and the river below. Imagine the battles that unfolded here, the clashing of swords and the cries of warriors defending their home, and the stories these ancient stones could tell. Finally, stroll through Alfama, the city's oldest district. This area is a living museum, where every alley and building whispers secrets of the past. This labyrinthine neighborhood, with its narrow cobblestone streets and charming squares, is a place where time seems to stand still. Feels like a step back in time. The echoes of fado music, the traditional Portuguese genre, can often be heard drifting through the air. Savor a traditional Portuguese meal at a local tasca. These small family-run restaurants offer a taste of authentic Lisbon cuisine, from Bacalhau to Pastéis de Nata. Let the soulful sounds of fado music transport you to another era. This melancholic music, born in the heart of Lisbon, captures the essence of the city's soul and its people's longing. Lisbon is best explored on foot, where every step reveals a new facet of its charm. The cobblestone streets, lined with pastel-colored buildings, invite you to wander and discover hidden gems. As you meander through the city, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking views at every turn. The city's unique topography offers countless vantage points to admire its beauty. The city is famous for its miradouros, or viewpoints, which provide stunning panoramas of the sprawling cityscape and the shimmering Tagus River. One favorite is the Miradouro da Senhora do Monte, offering panoramic vistas that are simply unforgettable. From here, you can see the entire city spread out before you, a tapestry of history and modernity. Another must-visit is the Miradouro de São Pedro de Alcântara in Bairro Alto. This viewpoint not only offers incredible views, but also has beautifully landscaped gardens. Grab a drink from the kiosk nearby and soak in the beauty of Lisbon. The experience of sipping a refreshing beverage while taking in the views is truly unparalleled. Take a ride on the iconic Tram 28 for charming glimpses of daily life. This historic tram weaves through the narrow streets, offering a unique perspective of the city's vibrant neighborhoods. No trip is complete without a sunset cruise on the Tagus River. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of warm hues. Watch as the city's lights begin to twinkle, casting a magical glow on the water. The reflection of the illuminated buildings creates a mesmerizing scene. It's the perfect way to end a day of exploring this enchanting city. The combination of natural beauty and urban charm makes Lisbon a destination that will truly take your breath away. Lisbon is a feast for the senses, especially your taste buds. One taste of the iconic Pastel de Nata, and you'll understand why it's a national treasure. No exploration of Portuguese cuisine is complete without sampling bacalhau or salted cod. One favorite is pastéis de bacalhau, crispy codfish fritters bursting with flavor. For a taste of Lisbon's sweeter side, try ginja, a sweet cherry liqueur served in chocolate cups. Explore beyond traditional dishes. Lisbon's culinary scene is constantly evolving. New restaurants and cafes pop up all the time. Be adventurous and let your taste buds guide you on a culinary adventure through Lisbon. Lisbon begs to be explored on foot, revealing hidden squares, charming cafes, and colorful tiled buildings. Put away the map and embrace the joy of discovery. Start your day in Chiado, Lisbon's chic shopping district. Browse designer boutiques, vintage shops, and bookstores. Stop for a coffee and a pastel de nata at a cafe and watch the world go by. Hop on the iconic yellow tram 28 to Graca, one of Lisbon's oldest neighborhoods. Explore the charming streets and enjoy panoramic views from the Miradoro de Graça. As evening approaches, head to Bairro Alto, Lisbon's bohemian heart, for a vibrant night out. No trip to Lisbon is complete without experiencing the magic of Alfama. This historic neighborhood is a maze of narrow cobblestone streets and charming squares. Alfama is best explored on foot, allowing you to soak up the unique atmosphere. Wander aimlessly, stumbling upon charming cafes and traditional restaurants. Look out for the intricate tilework or azulejos that adorn many buildings. Attend a fado performance to experience the soul of Lisbon. Choose a fado house, settle in with a glass of wine, and let the music transport you. Visit the Museu do Fado to learn about the history and cultural significance of this enchanting music genre. Lisbon is best viewed from above, with countless viewpoints revealing unique perspectives. End your day at a miradoro or viewpoint to soak in the beauty of Lisbon as the sun sets. Head to the Miradoro da Senhora do Monte for panoramic vistas. Another must-visit is the Miradoro de São Pedro de Alcântara in Bairro Alto. For a more intimate setting, visit the Portas do Sol in Alfama. Enjoy a glass of wine as the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle. Experience Lisbon after dark, with its illuminated landmarks and lively neighborhoods. Take a stroll along the riverfront or enjoy a late-night dinner in Bairro Alto. LX Factory, where creativity finds its groove. Nestled beneath the 25 de Abril Bridge, LX Factory is a vibrant hub for art, design, gastronomy, and innovation. This former industrial complex has been transformed into a creative haven. Wander through its streets, greeted by colorful murals and quirky installations. Browse independent boutiques and art galleries showcasing local talent. Enjoy a diverse range of culinary delights, from traditional Portuguese cuisine to international flavors. Visit Ler Devagar, a bookstore housed in a former printing factory. LX Factory reflects Lisbon's evolving identity, embracing its past while looking towards the future. A dive into wonder at the Oceanário de Lisboa. Located in Parque das Nações, the Oceanário is one of the largest and most impressive aquariums in the world. Home to over 8,000 marine creatures representing over 500 species, it's an unforgettable experience. The main tank, representing the global ocean, is awe-inspiring. Gaze through the vast acrylic windows at sharks, rays, and countless other marine creatures. The Oceanário features habitats representing the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, and Antarctic oceans. Don't miss the temperate gallery with playful sea otters. Don't miss the tropical gallery with vibrant coral reefs. The Oceanário is a powerful reminder of the importance of ocean conservation. A Lisbon, your practical guide to an unforgettable trip. Nestled along the Atlantic coast, Lisbon is a city that effortlessly blends traditional heritage with striking modernism. From its iconic yellow trams to its stunning viewpoints, Lisbon promises an adventure like no other. Ready to book your trip to Lisbon? Here are some practical tips to ensure you make the most of your visit. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, these insights will help you navigate the city with ease. Spring, March-May, is a fantastic time to visit Lisbon. The city comes alive with blooming flowers and pleasant temperatures, making it perfect for outdoor activities and sightseeing. And fall, September-October, offer pleasant weather and smaller crowds. The autumn hues add a magical touch to the city's already picturesque landscapes. Lisbon is walkable, with many attractions located within a short distance from each other. Strolling through its narrow, cobbled streets is an experience in itself, but its hills can be challenging. Be prepared for some uphill walks, or take advantage of the city's historic trams and funiculars to ease your journey. Public transportation is efficient and affordable. The metro, buses, and trams can get you almost anywhere you need to go, making it easy to explore all corners of the city. Lisbon offers a wide range of options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxury hotels. Whether you're looking for a cozy boutique stay or a lavish experience, you'll find accommodations to suit your needs. Lisbon is a food lover's paradise. The city's culinary scene is diverse and vibrant, offering everything from traditional Portuguese dishes to contemporary fusion cuisine. Try the Pastel de Nata, a delicious custard tart that is a must-try for any visitor. Bacalhau, a traditional salted cod dish, and ginja, a cherry liqueur, are also local favorites that you shouldn't miss. Don't miss the Belém Tower, Jerónimos Monastery, São Jorge Castle, Alfama District, LX Factory, and the Oceanário de Lisboa. Each of these landmarks offers a unique glimpse into Lisbon's rich history and vibrant culture. The Oceanário de Lisboa is one of the largest indoor aquariums in Europe, and a must-visit for families and marine life enthusiasts. Visit the Feira de Ladra Flea Market, Time Out Market Lisboa, or Mercado da Ribeira. These markets offer a variety of local goods, from antiques to gourmet food, providing a true taste of Lisbon's local culture. Lisbon is generally safe, with a low crime rate compared to other European capitals. But be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious cuisine, Lisbon has something for every traveler. Whether you're exploring historical landmarks, enjoying the vibrant street scenes, or indulging in diverse culinary experiences, Lisbon promises an unforgettable trip. Until next time, Lisbon. As my time in Lisbon came to an end, I felt a tinge of sadness. This city, with its captivating blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy, had truly stolen a piece of my heart. Lisbon is a city that stays with you long after you've said goodbye. It's the echo of fado music, the aroma of Pastel de Nata, and the stunning views of the city at sunset. But more than anything, it's the people of Lisbon that make it so special. Their warmth and passion for their city are infectious. So, until next time, Lisbon, you've captured a piece of my heart, and I can't wait to return.